Welcome to Smart Syllabus students. We are in the SSLC final exam preparation crash course series. So here you are going to learn only 100% question which is going to appear in the final examination. So related to this, many videos are there. If you have not seen all these videos, you can go in the description link and you can check those videos. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share these videos with your friends. Apart from that, even hit the bell icon so that you can get all the 100% questions videos notifications right in your mobile. Okay. Today we learn one more 100% question. Dear students, as you know, we are dealing with a topic called a pair of linear equations in two variables. And as you know, from this topic, there will be 7 to 8 marks questions for your final examination. But out of that, nearly 6 mark question is a 100% question. And out of that, the first one is solving the equation by any method. So in the previous video, we solved particular equations with the substitution method. So today, in this video, students, we are going to solve elimination method. Hope you are doing the homework which is there at the end of the video. Because to make perfect yourself in this 100% question, you have to solve the homework which is given at the end. So do not forget to do that homework and send the homework answers in the comment section. So it will be motivation for other students so that even they can prepare for the final examination. Okay. So today we'll continue this video with elimination method. So let's check whether elimination method is easier than substitution, and that difference will come to know if you have seen the previous video. So go and check that video in the description link. Okay, let's move on. Students, solve the following pair of linear equations, and today we are dealing with elimination method. And here is the equation. Hope you remember, even in the substitution method we used the same equations, so that we can come to know the difference now. What's the difference between the methods? Okay, the question is 7x minus 15y, that's equal to 2, and x plus 2y, that's equal to 3. Okay, the solution part. First, write down the equations. So 7x minus 15y, that's equal to 2, call it as 1, and then x plus 2y, that's equal to 3, call it as equation 2. Okay, now what is this elimination method is all about? So elimination in the sense moving, or you can say removing a particular variable, so that you can see here either you try to cancel x and x or try to remove y and y. Any one variable you have to remove. When it is possible, students, if you subtract or add these two equations. Even though if we add these equations, what we get 7x plus 6 is 8x minus 15 plus 2y, but having different signs, we may get 13y. So no x and not even either the y is getting cancelled. So even if we subtract, nothing will get cancelled. So in this situation, what we have to do is we have to make the coefficient of either x or y. Remember, either x or y equal. Then if we add a subtract depending upon the sign, then the variables will get cancelled. So what we do now, we'll multiply the second equation by 7, because when you multiply 7x. So here in the equation 1 it's 7x, in the second equation it will be 7x. So if you subtract 7x minus 7x, 0 will get. I think it is clear, right? So what we do, multiply second equation by 7. Okay, what we get now, 7 into x, 7x plus 7 into 2, it's 14.5, that's equal to 7 into 3, it's 21. It means you have to multiply this 7 for all three terms, not only for the x coefficient, all three terms you have to multiply by 7. We call this one as 3. So this is the newest equation. We have to deal with this and this one. That's equation 1 and equation 3. So as you can see, 7x and 7x are there, so we can subtract these equations now. So 1 minus 3, equation 1 minus equation 3. Equation 1 is 7x minus 15y equal to 2. minus equation 3 is 7x plus 14y, that's equal to 21. Subtract now. While subtracting, students, don't forget to change the sign of this second equation. So here nothing in the sense plus is there, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus. So we get minus here. So now their origin signs are these now, not this plus, not this plus. So 7x sign is minus, 14y sign is minus, and 21 sign is minus. So 7x minus 7x, it's 0. It means they get cancelled. Minus 15y minus 14y. So both are having same sign now. It's not plus, it's minus now. So minus 15 minus 14 having same sign in the sense we have to add. So it's minus 29 point. That's equal to plus 2 minus 21. So both are having different sign. Subtract them. Then 21 if you subtract we get 19. 21 sign is minus. It's a greater number. So we get for answer minus sign. Therefore, y equal to minus 19 as it is. Cross multiply this minus 29. Minus and minus cancels. So we get y is equal to 19 upon 29, right? So easily we got this answer, right? Compared to the substitution method, this method is a little bit easier, isn't it? So hope you remember even in the previous video, in the sense with the same equation, we got the value of y, the same answer, that's 19 by 29 only. Now next step, students, substitute the value of y in either equation 2, 1 or 3. Now from here it's just like substitution method only. Now put y is equal to 19 upon 29 in, so we go for equation 2 here because that's looking a little bit easier because x is not having the coefficient. Therefore x plus 2, y is 19 upon 29, that's equal to 3. Next, x plus, we cannot divide, so we have to multiply 19 into 2, it's 38 upon 29, that's equal to 3. Then 38 upon 29 on the other side of the equal sign, so we get x is equal to 3 minus 38 upon 29. Next, x is equal to, we have to take the LCM now. LCM in the sense here denominator there is no number, so just cross multiply. 29 into 3, it's 87 minus 38 as it is, the whole divided by 29. The next x is equal to 87 minus 38, it's 49. In the denominator it's 29. Further you cannot divide these two, right? So it means this is the final answer of the value of x. So compared to substitution method, this method is very easiest ones. If you solve the given equations in your final examination by this method, definitely you are going to get the answers very easily as well as in a short time, so that you can save the time to attend other questions. This is first example. So one more example we take to make it more clear. So students, second equation. So finding the pair of linear equations by substitution method. So second equation, that's the same equation that which we used in the previous video. So solution part, write down the equation 10x plus 3y is equal to 75. 6x minus 5y is equal to 11. Call it as 1 and call this one as equation 2. Now we have to make the variable either x or y same. So what we do now, this time we'll go for y now. The coefficients of the y we make same. To make it same, just check here. In the first equation with the y there is 3, but in the second equation with the y there is 5. So how to make them equal? The simplest solution is, students, multiply equation 1 by this 5, multiply equation 2 by this 3. By this method we can make these coefficients equal. Just check here. You have to multiply equation 1, this equation 1 by 5 and plus that equation with equation 2, but multiply equation 2 after 3. Check now how this is helpful for us. Equation 1 by 5, so multiply entire equation by 5. 5 into 10, it's 50x plus 5 into 3, 15y. Then 5 into 75, it's 375 now. Plus second equation by 3 have to multiply. 3 into 6, it's 18x minus 3 into 5, it's 15y. That's equal to 3 into 11, it's 33. Check 5, we are adding these two equations because when you add these equations, plus 15y minus 15y gets easily cancelled so that we can get the value of x. That's why we are doing like this. Okay, this is addition, so no need to change the sign here now. So directly add now. 50 plus 18, it's 68x. Now plus 15 minus 15 gets cancelled, nothing remains there. That's equal to 375 plus 33, it's 408. Now 68x is equal to 408. So x is equal to 408 upon 68. Divide these two numbers so that we can get the value of x now. As these two you can see they are the even numbers, we can divide both the numbers by 2. So 2 3s are 2 4s are. Next here 2 2s are 0, we cannot divide. No 8 2 4s are, so it's 204. Again it's 2 17s are, so 2 1s are 0 and into table 4 comes by 2s are. Next directly with the 7 we can divide this. 17 1s are 17 6 are. Therefore x is equal to 6. So the same answer we got even in the previous video, right? This is x value 6. Let's substitute the value of x in equation 1 or equation 2. So we go for equation 2. Put x is equal to 6 in equation 2. Okay, we have 6, x is 6 now again minus 5 that's equal to 11. 6 into 6 is 36 minus 5y that's equal to 11. Write minus 5 as it is, 11 is here, then 36 on the other side, so we can get minus 36. So minus 5y is equal to 11 minus 36 is 25. Greater than the sign is minus, so we write minus sign. So y is equal to minus 25. Cross multiply this minus 5, so minus 5 minus minus let's cancel. 5 ones are 5 5s are. Therefore y is equal to 5. So this is the value of 5, students. So these are the two examples to make you sure that how the substitution method works. So compared to elimination method, this method is a little bit easier. The catch is here in this part. So to make the coefficients of particular variables equal, what you have to do, if you take the decision correct, then the solution is just like a cake. So you have to solve this one very carefully. To make it more perfect, this substitution method, we have homework problem. Dear students, this is the homework. Just like the previous video, the first one and the second one, A and B. So these answers you have to answer in the comment section. Without fail, answer in the comment section. And till here you have reached the video in the sense you like the video, so don't forget to hit that like button. Apart from that, even here 5 questions are there for your practice. So practice is 5 plus these 2, total 7 questions by substitution method. Then definitely this method is going to be perfect for you, right? So this is substitution method. So students, we have finished a pair of lines equations solving which are in 2 variables by 2 methods. One is elimination and one more one is the substitution method. It means only one last method is remaining, that's cross multiplication method. So that method we will be dealing in the next video. So do not forget to watch that video. And if you want to watch that video, you have to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and select in that all option. Plus if you want to see all the previous 100% series question, then the link is in the description. You can follow that one. Don't forget to share these videos with your friends so that even they can score some good marks in the final examination. Okay, again we'll meet with one more 100% question in the next video. Till then, study well, study hard.